Strong's Marine, we understand that your boat and time on the water is precious. That's why we offer Quick Launch Dockage, a service designed to make boating effortless and enjoyable. With our easy, unlimited launches, you can be out on the water within an hour's notice, 7 days a week from April to October, all through our convenient mobile app.
Once you create your reservation, our team gets to work. Communication is initiated to launch and prepare your boat for a day out on the water.
Your boat is stored safely out of the water on our impact-resistant racks, resting on our carpeted bunks to protect your hull. Leave the details to us. We will remove and store your canvas so it's one less thing to do before heading out on the water. No more worries about dead batteries. We warm up your engines before you arrive, so your boat is ready to hit the water as soon as you are. After every outing, we perform a freshwater flush of your engines to keep them clean and well maintained.
We also clean your boat from the rub rail down with soap and water after every haul, ensuring it's always spotless. Our premium quick launch service provides all these benefits plus more. We'll top off your fuel tank, give your entire boat a thorough wash, and even wipe down and clean your seats at every launch and return.
Whether you choose quick launch or upgrade to our premium service, Strong's Marine takes care of everything so you can keep making memories out on the water.